Hello. Good afternoon, guys. Alexandra here, creator and founder of the Stress to Wealth Lifestyle. In this video, I will be sharing with you some tips on how to start your online business completely from scratch. I'll be giving you some tips exactly what to expect and exactly how to take your business from zero and start running into a successful online businessman and become a full-time entrepreneur. In this note, stay tuned. As you can see, the name is Alexandra, and I've been an online marketer since 2013. But things quickly took off for me for the last year and a half, since at the end of 2017, I can say. And I've invested in some coaches and everything, some training, and that's why I'm able to share with you, because you might be wondering why you should listen to me, because I've invested in myself to learn exactly the in and out of what it takes to run an online business and how to make some sales as well. So that's why I want to be able to give back and share some free value with you guys, so you don't make the same mistake I made and not have your expectation to something that is not. So let's start to the beginning. The first thing, when you're starting a online business, the first thing you're gonna need, um tip number one, you need to create more cash flow. I know some people might be giving you false hope and say you can start a business completely with no money, or you can start an online business for free. What I'm gonna tell you, um that might be possible, but it's not gonna help in the wrong one, because as you can know, as you already know, if you're building an online business, even if it was a traditional business, the minimum capital to start a traditional business might be like about $10,000 and up. But if you start, what we have like the opportunity from within in this time, is like you can start an online business with very low money. And if you're really serious, you can say you can start an online business maybe by about like $50. But if you really want something serious that's gonna bring you some return on your investment, you need to invest something in yourself. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is create some cash flow, and by doing that, you either gonna need to get a job so you can start saving some money on the side, or you can maybe, because there's some apps out there, especially on during the holidays right now, that's giving basically free money. You can sign up for either one of them. I'm gonna put like a video, one of the cards that's gonna pop up on top of the screen, that's gonna tell you like what's my top recommendation of app that actually pay free money to your cash app, not cash app, to your PayPal or regular bank account. You can check it out and see which one you would like to check out. They run different promotion every single month. I'm not sure exactly when you're watching the video, but whenever you watch it from, you can sign up for one of those apps and follow the instruction that's given to be able to make some free money. And with the money you made from those apps, you can invest in a real opportunity to start making some more money online, not petty change. And the second thing you're gonna need to do is research before you start online business, is research your idea, or sit down and analyze exactly what you want to do, because there's different way to make money online, but you will have to see exactly what you want to go for. Because there's like affiliate marketing, there's network marketing, there's like e-commerce, like selling product online, and or mystery shopping. There's all the stuff you can do to make money online. But that's why you have to sit down and see exactly which one will be best for you. Affiliate marketing is when you basically selling somebody else's product, or you sign up for a company that have different product. You can go ahead and just sign up for one of them and just resell the product, and when you sell the product, you get a commission. My top recommendations for becoming an affiliate marketing, for affiliate marketing, you can check Warrior Plus. This is like a white, I'm sure also some of you heard of JVZoo. It's just like JVZoo is like a website, it's like a marketplace of business opportunities that you can go ahead and sign up for. Most of them, you don't have to buy the product yourself. All you gotta do is whatever the product, you go to the marketplace and research the product that you want. There's like a list of product, and you can see which one. I recommend you look for the one that's like the top sellers, and you can see how many have been sold and the return rate. You have to make your research on the product and basically go to the funnel yourself and see if it's a product if you had money, you would invest in yourself as well. So you research the product, and if it's something that you like, you go on the request affiliate link for that product, see, for some reason, see, Facebook restaurant waiter, Bing Bang. So those are the sellers for, let's say, for this week. You can just click on one of them and then like press the affiliate link, and you can start promoting them, and whatever they are, the percentage that the vendor willing to pay. Once you sell the product, you introduce that product to your following or to your friends on social media, and you can get a commission, and you get paid. Like some of them pay instantly, some of them pay maybe a week later. Whatever that is related to that product, you can go ahead and do what you need to do and become an affiliate and do the same thing. That's the same thing as well for Jirizu. You research the product, you request the link, and you start promoting. That's affiliate marketing. Network marketing is when you in a company that basically you're building a downline, you have an upline or downline, you're building a team, and you can also get residual from your team sales as well. So my recommended tip, companies for network marketing, it works, still Total Life Changes, Unique, there's other different company, but what I'm saying to you, like network marketing mostly focus on by building a team and a downline. Affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about the team. You just like whatever the sale that you make is just your sell, and like, that's how it is. So that's tip number 2. You research your idea or become an affiliate marketer or a network marketer. Choose a company. You need to choose a company or have a product to sell. That's the main idea. When you start an online business from scratch, number 1, you create cash flow to be able to invest in whatever the opportunity you're starting with, and number 2, have a product for sale. And to be able to have a product for sale, you either become an affiliate marketer or a network marketer. Tip number 3, you need to invest in a good marketing system that will help you promote whatever that you're offering. For example, like you need to have like a product that you need to have like a email list. You need to have like something, it's called a capture page, that you can collect your prospect information. You might be wondering, what is a prospect, what is a lead? It's like people that's interested in your product, but before they can access to the information, they need to put their information in some kind of form, and then once they put their information in that form, they will be taken to another page, and that's when they'll be able to see the opportunity or the presentation or the product that you have for sale. In that form that they put their name and email or phone number form is called a capture page, and you need to have like a good product that as well that can also help you promote that opportunity. Like my recommended tool for marketing, I can say, is Builder. You can either Builder, if you want to get started with Builder, or it's like a website builder, a capture page builder, a blog builder. Is like you can do a lot. You can create ebooks, you can create a webinar. It's basically, if you heard about ClickFunnels, it's like ClickFunnels, but more affordable, because ClickFunnels is like $297 or $497, but that one is only $50 a month. It's more affordable. If you want to get some information about that marketing system, I will be putting the link in the description as well, or put the link to the video that I have that explain exactly what that product is. There's also other marketing system that's like available as well. I can recommend also the Conversion Pro, or Online Sales Pro, Aweber, GetResponse. There's a lot of product out there, but like to manage, because I tried all of them, to my opinion, Builder is the best out there, because it's basically put all those other tools out there, you just put it in one system. So if you want to check it out, just check the link in the description. All the information will be right there. And tip number 4, you need to have like a lead magnet to give away to people, to say thank you for checking out your website or your video, whatever it is. You need to have like some kind of, maybe like a free ebook that you're giving away. And some people been also using free vacation vouchers. The I really think honestly that's like a great deal, like for saying thank you. You can like send those people that's interested, you can send them a voucher for whatever that you have going on. They can go ahead and enjoy themselves, so they can have like maybe a good time, like to relax their mind before they can start joining with you. They can know you, like you, and trust you in that process. And like I said, it's a give and take. You giving them a way to start their own business, and then by saying thank you, because they don't have to check your website, because there's a lot of people out there promoting a lot of opportunity. So if they took the time to check out your presentation, it's not like you're being desperate. You're not being desperate. You're just being smart with your marketing. You're saying thank you by sending them a lead magnet, like something. Let's say your give me 1 second. Let's say your product is like, let's say about like health and wellness, so you can give them like a ebook, giving them some tips, some good recipes to lose weight. If it's like your product is about travel, you can give them some great list of location, that great location spot for vacation. Like an example, something that that's related to your product, that can help them, giving them an idea, so they can say, okay, if I'm looking to get involved in this type of opportunity, this is who I could go for. So the first person that they will have in mind is you, because you did plug them in first. Number 5, a lot of people, like sometimes even myself, struggling with that point, but you need to be very careful with that, because the tip is like you have to stay very consistent. You have to stay consistent and be very patient, because when you're building a business online, it's not only you that's out there. So you basically have to stand out from the crowd, and promote your business the right way. And you have to be consistent, like, and be patient, because things doesn't happen overnight. So you have to know the right things to say, the right thing to post, and you have to also stay professional and not make it look like a complete rookie. If you feel like you need some help, invest in, like, in some training, invest in training, and like get better. And a lot of people don't really talk about that, because when you just started, you're also gonna need traffic. When you get started, traffic is very important. You can also have free traffic and paid traffic. Traffic is when you're using social media or using Facebook groups or using stuff like that. It will take longer, because they are free traffic. So a lot of people, especially in Facebook group, are looking for free opportunities, or they are people that's not serious, or they are already network marketers that's promoting their business as well. So it's gonna take you longer to actually build your business if you want to go to the free traffic route. But if you want to get results as fast as possible, and also get people that, like, real targeted people that's interested in your opportunity, not people that's gonna waste your time, you're gonna need to invest in paid traffic. And you can buy traffic, and you can also, like, do Facebook ad or Instagram ad, whatever the platform that you are using. You're gonna have to do some paid advertisement to promote your business. And my recommendation for paid ads is, number 1, Facebook ads, or you can do solo ads. And for solo ad, I recommend Udemy. You just have to go there and research to find like a good seller, so you can get like some great traffic to your website. It's been said that Udemy is the best so far to give you traffic, so definitely check it out. And number 5, you need to invest in yourself, especially in self-development, because like your mindset is very important in that process. Because some days you're gonna get discouraged, you're gonna say, okay, this is not for me, and you're gonna want to quit. And do not do that, because the thing is, like, in order to build a business, it doesn't have, like I keep saying, it doesn't happen overnight. And your mindset is gonna be the one that's gonna keep you to not quit in that process. Okay, let's do a recap. To start a business from scratch, you need to have more cash flow. Number 2, you research your idea, and become an affiliate marketer or a network marketer. Invest in a good marketing system to help you promote your business. Have a lead magnet to give away to your leads. Be consistent, be patient. And number 6, invest in yourself, and especially in self-development. And number 7, order traffic. All right. On that note, I hope I give you some great value in this video. If I did, don't forget to give me a like and comment below. Let me know if those tips did help you in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also you can connect with me on Facebook so you can see exactly who I am. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. And if you are looking to start your own online business, you can definitely comment below and let me know that you're ready to get started. I have like some great opportunity that can definitely help you out. You get paid 100% commission, and you get paid daily, and this is an opportunity that can definitely help with your daily expenses for the holidays and beyond, and also help you switch your financial situation, because that's what I do. I'm a financial switcher. I help people become bosses and help them switch from stress to wealth. That's why I created the Stress to Wealth lifestyle, because I know how stressful it can be, because I've been there. I know how stressful it can be to have like all your bills piling on you and you don't know exactly how you're gonna deal with them. So I'm just telling you, do not let those bills win. Yeah, because you are always out there to help you make some money to deal with those bills, because you have daily bills, so you need daily cash flow to keep up with all those expenses. Even you're not an online marketer, even if you just go to work, your income might not be enough to keep up with everything. You might need some extra income to just help you on the side. Feel free to message me, contact with me, and we're gonna talk about it to see, because I don't work with anybody. I have to make sure like that you qualify to join my team. You can message me, we're gonna talk about it, and so we can see if you qualify to join my team. And also, because our team is winning, we are a team of like go-getters, freedom chasers. We're not a team of lazy people. If you know you are not serious and you're just gonna waste our time, because we are there to help you, but you have to show us as well that you are a go-getter, that you are there to kill it. If you just want people to hold your hand like a baby and you're not gonna do anything, you're not gonna go to the training, you're not gonna do this, you're not gonna do that, you have all type of excuses, our team is not for you. Stress to Wealth lifestyle is not for you. If you know you're a go-getter, you are ready to kill it, you are ready to do what needs to be done, follow the training, because we have training out in the group, and to help you, we have the blueprint for you to follow. All of us are following the blueprint, and we are getting success. If you're ready to give your bank account a makeover, you're tired of being tired, message me, get in contact with me, and I will plug you in and start getting you paid. On that note, I won't keep you long, and I will see you on my next video. Have a good day. Happy